Hey everybody, it's John from Detect Auto. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to utilize our inspection maintenance platform. This pairs up with your digital vehicle inspection, and we allow you to map your maintenance recommendations that you set up directly into your inspection. What you'll see on the screen here is the inspections that we've loaded from your shop management software. When I go ahead and click on this drop down here, we'll see all of the individual line items for your inspection, and we'll additionally see any green items here as ones that have already been mapped from your maintenance intervals to your inspection intervals. What we can do from here is a couple different things. The first one, we could automatically remap intervals, which would mean that if we don't have any intervals set, we could run them through our maintenance recommendation engine and see which items in my DVI line up to our maintenance recommendations. Typically, we don't recommend utilizing this feature except for the first time you're setting up the tool because it'll overwrite your existing recommendations that you've changed. But let's say we've done that, we want to make some tweaks from here. What I could do is go into any of these individual line items and I could look and see when I click on this pencil icon here, what maintenance intervals do I have an option to map this service to. Hypothetically, let's just say I wanted to also map my engine air filter to this item. I would go ahead and click on it. I'd click map interval, and now that interval would be added to this list. So every time I utilize my inspection maintenance tool, these items will be auto applied. If I didn't want them to be applied in the future, I could do the same thing by just clicking on this X button next to the item, and it would be removed from the list. I could go ahead and scroll through the entire list, see which items are mapped and which ones aren't, and then once I'm done, the service automatically saves, so any changes I make will be applied. Hope that helps give an overview of how this tool works, and if you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks.